Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a few things. We're going to organize underneath my kitchen sink, and we're also going to get caught up on some laundry. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is underneath the sink. Underneath here I keep like cleaning supplies, extra sponges, dish soap, stuff like that. So we're going to take everything out from underneath the sink first and just have a clear palette. Now for here, I found some of those Lazy Susans, like the turning tables, and I thought this would be a really good idea, so that way, when I go to grab something to clean the counter or to clean the stove, I can just kind of pick it up, and instead of having to go through like a little box like was down there before. I got two Lazy Susans. One's bigger than the other one, and we're gonna put one on each side and kind of organize it and figure out what works from there. Okay, so this is what it looked like at first. I really just wanted like the two turntables and like the vases in the back, because I have a bunch of flower vases for fresh flowers, and I didn't really like how it turned out, so you'll see me in like a new outfit from the next day, because I thought about it a little bit, then I had a few ideas, and now we're working on the finished thing. So you'll see me again, and it's like I'm changing it again because I wanted something different. So this is the finished thing. So this is it. I got some things for the doors because I felt like that cleared out the excess clutter in the middle. And one side is for my gloves with a command hook. The other side is for like excess sponges and stuff like that. And this is what it looks like. So I had a lot of laundry to fold up and to catch up on, so we are gonna go through my laundry. Now normally whenever I'm doing laundry, I kind of spread everything out a lot farther, which I really couldn't do with filming it, so that I can put it in piles. As I'm going through this, I'm kind of just grabbing stuff, folding it, and then putting it in its own little pile. I'll separate towels, dish towels, clothes, things that need to be hung up. I can put them in a pile. It's kind of just like an organized chaos situation. So as I'm folding, once I realize that like I folded all the towels or I folded all the dish rags, I'll go ahead and take those and put them up where they're supposed to go. It helps clear the floor, and that just helps me have a clear space to be able to like get everything done and keep going. So you'll actually see me change clothes again in this video, and I had to go pick up a Target order. So whenever I got home, I just threw on some sweats. So that's why I've changed clothes again. And then last, these are all the clothes that need to be hung up that are mine and my husband. So I'm just sticking them in between our closets and picking them up and hanging them up in whichever closet they need to go into. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe down below. Today's Valentine's Day, so what are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? Leave some comments down below in the comments. We'll see you next time.